making money on those reversals because I told you guys about that video for the last fucking 2 weeks. All right, everybody. So hopefully everybody's having a good time. Again, this is another public stream this morning. You guys went absolutely nuts on the like button. We had a lot of people coming back. It's starting to feel like the olden days again, where we were cranking up here with a bunch of people watching. But again, don't really care. As long as people are in here making money and learning things, that's what we want at the end of the day. So again, team, make sure that you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. Let's have a great afternoon. We got cracked out STV over here. We got a lot of short form videos to post out for you guys a little bit later. So I know that some of you guys have seen, we're on TikTok and Instagram now, throwing out videos. Those are going to be fun. I have a really awesome one for you guys going out tonight. Like this one, I think you guys are all going to find hilarious. It has to do with a text message and it's hilarious. And the timing of it. So the thing that I want you guys to watch for on this video coming out later is the timestamp on when the messages are read. It's really funny. I sent it into alpha chat yesterday. I think you guys liked it, but let's have a great rest of the day, team. Hopefully everybody's having some fun over here. Make sure you guys drop some likes on the way in. Let's see who we got. Who we got? Long time no see. I know. Stream hopping. Ankles at 100 likes. Nah, I think on the morning stream tomorrow, if you get it to like 500, we'll do ankles. How about that? Morning stream tomorrow. What's alpha chat? It's in the beta tester server, bro. What up, people? How we doing? Is it from the new girl? Nah, it's a personal text message. I'm showing you guys a little bit of insight. It's really funny, so get ready for it. Ryan, don't worry about it. It's the beta testers. It's like, I think this one's hilarious. SB, what's up, buddy? Not much, dude. Having a great day today. I am up. Let's see. 1 point something. Where is it? I am up 1.42% on the day. Thank you very much. I will take it. Easy peasy. I made 2 trades. The SPY puts on the way down this morning. I flipped Netflix for a little bit, but they were being really annoying with the spreads on them. They wouldn't let me set my stops where I wanted. So I said, cancel the stop and profit. Just sell it. I'll take my money back. I didn't really want to take any more risk than I needed to. So not Papa Girl? No, not her. Having an excellent day. You're up 2.25. Nice, Ryan. Down 0.22. That's not that bad. Up 40% on the P&L. Bro. Look, I can't believe you guys. Like, that's just ridiculous. I don't know what the hell you've done, but good for you, man. That's craziness, dude. Let's see. $40 profit today. You made money, dude. That pays for Chipotle for like 3 times. That's like 3 Chipotles, bro. Dude, the reversal strategy is a game changer. 12.5% on the port today. 26.29% on the week. My confidence is through the roof. Guys, when I fucking tell you things, it's for a reason. When I say, hey, guys, probably go watch this reversal video a million times, it's because it fucking works really well. So I will go back and get the video and I will put it in there for you guys. That video is probably the best thing since sliced bread. Here you go. Ready? Here's the link to the video. Here you go. Boom. You got to go watch it. Yes, there's a reversal video. Gains chat off the hook today. Yeah. Guys, it works so well. I really trade a shitload of reversals now, like a shitload of them. So that's the link right there. Save that. It's also in the latest content section of the Discord as well. Let's see here. It brought me back to the green when I lost all hope of keeping my 9-day green streak alive. Nice, dude. Parsa, you monster, bro. All right, guys, we're 12 likes away from 50. Thank you. You guys are running it up quick again. I love it, man. The Netflix reversal got you to 3% on the portfolio. Use the stop loss strategy in 1348 levels. Thank you. These alerts indicate if it's a reversal play. Sometimes with Invictus, they will. So Invictus caught Coin and Meta. So Coin was a nasty one here. So Coin was caught here. So if you look at Invictus right here, I don't know how that happened, but let's see. Where was Coin? Coin was right here, alerted at 32.41. So that's on these candles right here. and then you run all the way up to 33.15. So you can catch the reversals with Invictus as well. But you can actually front run Invictus a little bit with the reversal strategy as well. So that's what we've been teaching you guys. You can actually front run Invictus, which has been fun. Are we supposed to use the alerts for, on Discord or platform? Well, technically they're the same right now. I think you get a couple more stocks on platform because they're different engines. Bye-bye, Apple. Yeah, it's slipping back down now. Just came right up to VWAP and hit it. I'm telling you, stop loss strategy, risk management video, reversal video, gems. Gems, 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 gems. All right, team. Let's see what we get going to the end of the day, team. I mean, it could get a little interesting. It could get a little spicy. 8 likes away from 50. Thank you. Love you guys. All right, let's see here. What do we got? Anything crazy on Twitter? 500 million put spike on SPY. That's interesting. All right, let's see. Hello. All right. Stop loss got me out of the Apple and Meta calls damn near the peak. Thank you. You don't get notification for platform Invictus. Those are coming. We're giving you guys push notifications very, very soon for platform. Do 1 minute, 3 minute, and 4 minute crosses help validate the reversal strategy? You can. I haven't incorporated it into it though. I literally just use price action, the new MACD and the RSI with its moving average, and it's just literal print city, dude. Got that 1% today. Let's go. Attaboy, Fidel Cashflow. Done for today. Just like learning. Attaboy, dropping off this like as I get ready for work. You guys are slaughtering it, bro. I love seeing you guys make money. What's the new MACD? 24.52.18. Frosky, have you not been paying attention for like the last month and a half? I'll be a broken record. It's fine. I can do it. I'm just wondering, like, make sure that you guys are paying attention. Like, I've tweeted this out. I've said it before. Pay attention or pay a premium. Make sure that you guys are fully taking advantage of all the things that we're offering you. Website says reverse when the play is dead, right? Yep. Small account under 500, but up 5.4% on the day. That is amazing, Frosky. That is awesome. That is really good. Oh, a different one? No. Yeah, that's the new MACD settings. 24.52.18. The reversal strategy stopped me from chasing. Thank you. Thank God some people are learning, man. None of this bullshit follow trade that these people are doing. Nonsense, bro. Not learning shit. Oops, no. All right, team. Let's run it up today. I mean, I'm not going to be taking any more trades. Really solid start to the week so far. You've hit 4 reversals that were 35% or more. Crosses on smaller time frames seem to be a recurring theme in the strategy. I mean, I could look at that. What STV and Gabe do for the retail traders above and beyond what anyone is doing. Actual teachers. Bruce, I appreciate you, buddy. Buy put now? Why, Ryan? Why? I mean, you could maybe play the reversal here, risk the 13. But again, here's what I want you guys to understand. And we've talked about this a few times. I feel like this afternoon stream is where I go on like my philosophical rants and give you guys some tips and tricks. Oh, you thought I meant reversal? No, it means like reversed. Okay, we might be able to change the word on that. Or yeah, because it used to say play is dead. Now it says reversed. I'll think about that. You mean think SV and RD that we are learning no higher power needed? Yes. But here's what I want you guys to realize. A lot of people, $25 on a $500. No. Hey, Manny's. First of all, shut the fuck up. Okay. That was 5% on his account, not $25 on a full ported trade. Dumbass. And don't you fucking dare ever come into my live chat and say that somebody being up 5% on the day is not good. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Now, back to this SPY trade that we were saying here. There's a no nonsense policy. If you're going to say any of that dumb shit, get out. Here's what we're looking at. whenever anybody asks me for a trade idea, if it makes sense, the only thing that you really need to be focusing in on is where's the risk? Like, where's the risk? That's all it is. So, like, people will come in all the time. First of all, I'm never going to tell you yes or no. You can do what you want. It's all the same strategy. This doesn't really follow any of the strategy unless you're sort of hunting for a little reversal. But where's the risk? That's what you have to understand about this chart here. It's crazy that everything I've learned with 1348 has been following in place. Thanks. You're welcome, Brandy. So when you look at this here, where's the risk? That's all. That's what I want you guys to think about the entire time. It's identify the worst case scenario with this trade. What could potentially happen? And where do you want to put your risk? Are you going to put it at the 48 or the 13? Those are the two levels there that you're really looking at. Parsa, you can have a wrench. That's the 1348 community right there. All love from the real ones. Yeah, man. It's all love around here. Except for when people just say like super stupid things. It would reverse and you sell at 5% to 15. Right, but that's not necessarily the way that you look at it, Ryan. You're looking at a spot on the chart. You say, okay, this is a closing candle back above the 13 or a closing candle back above the 48, depending on how much time you're going to get on those contracts. Does this follow any rules? Not really. But if you keep your risk management in check, I mean, you have to make sure that you're keeping your risk tight. Let me see. I got to get Parsa the wrench. There you go. Parsa, you've been knighted. All right, guys. Wait, I modded him, right? Yeah, I did. I didn't ban him. The most difficult thing I had to learn was patience. Exactly. That's the hardest part about trading. You just wait. I made that one trade on, what was it, SPY this morning? And then I just sat around. I was like, okay, well, if something else looks decent, I'll take it. Then I took Netflix, made a little bit of money, and that's it. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. You guys really ran it up yesterday, but let's get after it here. -5 to 15 is pretty good. You don't want to be letting trades just willy-nilly go down 10 to 15. If you see a spot on the chart where it says, where it's telling you it doesn't make sense, like it's just reversing or you've invalidated your trade where it's going to take a while to go back in your direction, you can most of the time take those losses at between 3 and 5. One of us. How much percentage cash do you allocate to long-term port versus trading port? It depends. It depends. Like, I don't have set percentages, Yams. Reviewing the Invictus signals end of the day has helped me understand how they play out. Yes, please use the replay function as well. The replay function is awesome. That's in the risk management video there. We use the replay function. That one's sexy. Whew. All righty, team. Mr. Wonderful says 20% of invested. Mr. Wonderful also says that he would back Sam Bankman-Fried again. So don't trust him very much. Again, it's do what you want. Like let's say you run up your trading account. Like you can use your trading account to fund your living. You can use it to fund your long-term account. You can use it. There's a wide variety of ways to do it. And any one way that I say on the stream is not one size fits all, if that makes sense. Like it can't be. I'm here to stay. I know you are, Parsa. Appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, and the short form videos are gonna be so much fun later. I love the one I'm about to send out to you guys. It's such like it's just like, oh, I love it. I'm so excited for it. I know you guys are gonna like it too. It's better than the Hangover one. The one yesterday was sweet, but it was like, eh. All right, team, keep running up the likes. And again, make sure that you guys are securing your 2-week free trials, the platform, man. Put the power of compound interest on your side. Get access to all the tools that we're providing, the education that we're providing as well. That link is at the top of the live chat. What are your thoughts on trend lines? I mean, they can play out, but at the same time, if they work for you, all right, cool. I personally don't think that using trend lines all of the time is the smartest idea. I think trading with momentum is going to be a bit smarter. Can trend lines tighten the risk up a little bit? Yeah, they can, but it's not something that I use every day. Like, let's say that you were looking at SPY today and you're looking at this. Let me zoom this out on like the 5 minute. Like, you could have drawn trend lines here, but you're just playing bounce knife, bounce knife, bounce knife. Like, it's just not, unless you're playing it off of like the break of the top trend line, and then that's okay. But we have the reversal strategy anyway, so it's not really anything that I need to be fucking around with. I thought 4 to 5 trades a day was good, but now I'm make more waiting on 1 to 2 really good setups a day. 100% Tabasco Dave. Less trades, more money. All right, let's see here. Dude, this has been a lot of fun today. We've had so much fun. The morning stream was super fun. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not the number of trades if the trade is good or not. Exactly. Afternoon all. What's up, Nunya? How you doing, buddy? How you doing, dude? Hopefully everybody's having a good day. I mean, there was a lot of money to be made out there today. And again, I've shown you guys this a few times. And we're going to show you two things here. So I just want to illustrate the power of what we're doing. And just in terms of the overall strategy, remember, trade 1348 and the 1348 cross was proven to be the most successful crossover on the daily time frame from a wide variety of studies. The daily cross down on Tesla happened. Okay, technically it happened on this day here when it was at 265, but let's be nice and give it the next day on this gap down at the bottom of this candle at 240. Tesla's still trading at 113. That's a 50% drop, bro. More on the daily cross down. And one of our members over here was like, oh yeah, I have put like leaps, like puts on Tesla off of the daily cross down, 700 something percent that he was up. Cool, great. Let's look at SPY today. Okay, you get this 1348 cross down right here, closing candles down below the 200 EMA, runs all the way down here to the next level at around 378. It does flip down below, almost touches 377, and then bounces with our reversal strategy right here. Bing, bang, boom, easy money. It's super simple. Thanks, SV. I'm out. Mark, have a great rest of your day, buddy. Let's see. I've started my New Year's resolutions today, changing my mindset and remaining disciplined, patient, and consistent, staying out of the market on the slow days as those are the days that hurt me the most. 100%. Shop as a cross on the daily. I think it will fall like a rock. Dimmelson, again, going back off of what I have just said, define the risk. You won't need me ever. Like, you don't have to. So, like, if there's something that I see or like an earnings or something, yeah, maybe I can tell you to be careful of that. But if you define your risk and you're perfectly fine with having that amount of risk on the table in a given trade, why not take it? If everything makes sense and you're approaching the market in the same way, which is what most people should be doing, then you're completely good to go. The cup and handle on Tesla, I would not trade based off of that at all. 50% on that cross from the Southwest puts yesterday, 1348 equals money cheat code. Pepe, you monster, bro. What expiration date did you have, though, Pepe? Pepe, what expiration date did you have for Southwest? What's it down today? I mean, it just knifed, but Pepe. And using a stop loss on every trade. Thank you. January 22nd. Nice, dude. Done for the day. Reversal strategy had me done by 11. Had to stop in and say thanks. Gonna take my son to Blue Strings and see some manatees. Randy, that's amazing. Hopefully you don't see any land manatees over there because those might try to eat you. Did I ever tell you guys the land manatee story? It's funny, bro. The land manatee story is a good one. That's a really good one. January 20. Yeah, same difference, though. Same difference, man. Held those AMC puts for like 2 hours, finally paid. Nice, Wayne. There you go. Land manatee at bar closing time. Nah. Tabasco Dave. None of that. No land manatees. Okay, so you guys want to hear the land manatee story? Leg number 63. Dude, we're almost at 100 already. Thank you guys. Randy, appreciate that, dude. The land manatee story is a good one. It's like kind of messed up, but like it's really funny. And I was probably like 10 years old. Manatees. So I was like 10 years old and I was on this boat and this guy is like looking out on the shore and he sees this couple get it taking wedding photos. Signed up, but you can't use the left side toolbar on platform. I would send a feedback note because that shouldn't be happening right here. This should be so you can send feedback right here and say, hey, this isn't working for me, but this works for me. I don't know what the deal is over there. Like predictive daily crosses, you got some here. Like I can navigate around here. Welcome to 1348, everything like that. Huh, interesting. Yeah, I would send a support ticket, or once you link your account and get into Discord, then you can shoot a message directly to Andy in there. Click the menu. You asked Diana. Okay, perfect. Yeah, they'll get that straightened out for you. I don't know why that's happening. That's a bit strange. Okay, so back to the story. So we're sitting on this boat, and this couple's taking like wedding photos, and this guy just yells, "Land manatee!" I was like, no, because she was large. It's like a large lady, and I was like, dude, that's kind of rough, man. Keep saying these things. But that's the land manatee story. That's where I came up with them. That's where I first heard the term, and it was hilarious. But you know, it is what it is. When you go out in public looking like a certain way, you just gotta expect it. Like I fully expect people to make fun of my hair sometimes if they don't like it. It's cool. I like my hair. It's fine. You want to make fun of my hair? It's cool. I like my hair. So does your wife. 4.3% on the portfolio for the day and done trading. Winning loser, you monster, buddy. All right, SPY slipping a little lower here. Let's see. Might be a different email. Okay. I love that you whispered that like she was around to hear. I don't know, man. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. All right, team. Keep smashing that like on the way in and make sure that you guys are taking advantage of the free trials too. It's free, bro. 2 weeks, completely free. People wanted to fight because I had a green mohawk. I'd laugh. Why would they want to fight you because you're mohawk? You know what happens with my hair? People just want to touch it. And I'm like, no. Hands off. All right, folks. Chevron, what do we got here? Oil moves a little bit wonky. Yeah, still below that 200 EMA there. Drunk people at a bar. I usually avoid drunk people at the bar. Or this is what I say to people sometimes. This is high risk, high reward, and you better have some sort of skills if this backfires on you. This is why I say it this way. Because if you say it and you put yourself in a scenario that you cannot handle, you're screwed. So here's what once you get enough for 2 contracts, okay, we're going to put that story on hold. But once I get enough for 2 contracts, can we do a one-on-one? Show me how you're doing it with the stop loss and scaling out? I can. Yeah, we can do that. It's simple. I think I go over it in the stop loss video as well. Like if you have multiple contracts, I'm scaling out of a lot of the position between 5 and 10%, throwing a stop slightly above break even, and then letting it go. SV's hair gets objectified. Yeah, sometimes SV is the drunk guy at the bar. No, they're amazed at how tall I am. That's only you guys because you guys think I'm short and I'm 6'2". I feel okay. I don't think I'm going to say what I say to people if they really start causing problems, and I just don't care. It's funny, and it catches everybody off guard every single time. I used to do it on the football field constantly. If I was lining up on a wide receiver, I would just look them dead in the face and say blank, and I'm probably not going to say it here. This is a little bit rough, but it works every single time. Every time. But if it backfires, you have to know what you're doing. It's only because his name is Short the Vix. Yeah, I guess so. People just, I mean, I guess. Say it. Oh, shit. Just drop some chicken cutlets in the air fryer. Oh, boy. See, if I say it, the problem is I'll probably, if anybody comes in here and starts talking nonsense, I might start saying it again, which is probably not something that we want to do. SV says you're going to hump your leg. No, you got to say it now. Now? Okay. This is what you say. I fucked your dad. That's what you say. They just look at you like, what? What did you just say to me? It's just like, stop. It's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow. I'm telling you, high risk, high reward, man. Nonsense. All right, back to work. Sorry for anybody that I've offended by that. That was kind of, that's the point. It's to offend people and shock them into not knowing what to do next. All right, guys, keep running up the like button on the stream. That is not going to be a thing that we're going to say on the stream. That was a one-time thing. I'm telling you the story, and that's it. Yep, that's what you say. Imagine I'm in high school. I look a wide receiver dead in the face when they're about to hike the football, and I just say that. They're like, "What?" That which I have to. I say that to the stock market before I trade every morning. Okay, all right, we're done now. I once had a girlfriend that used to say that to me. That's a different scenario, Michael. I would die laughing if you said that to me on the field. That's the point, bro. Oh, dude, I used to talk so much shit. All right, how did that Netflix end up playing out? Yeah, I mean, it was perfect from where it was. When I was a bouncer, I had a drunk dude fluster. He said he's gonna knock me out in the parking lot. And wait, what? All right, well, that's okay. We've taken a left turn. We got to bring it back in, team. We can't. No, we're not doing this. Greetings, everyone from Korea. Thank you, Everett. How you doing, pal? It's the Wednesday before the end of the year. Take that jacket off already. No, you know why? Because you're sorry. Okay, I'm going off the rails today, dude. We've had a really good day. We've had some fun. I know all of you guys have been printing too. I gotta bring it back in. The receiver just forgets his route. That's the point. Is the market going to be open Friday or Monday? Friday, yes. Monday, no. I've been done just trying just here listening. Nice. What's wrong with my jacket? The color? Nothing's wrong with my jacket. Rotate your monitor and the market always goes up. All right. Enough joking around. Let's see what we get for the next hour here. I gotta clean this jacket though somehow. Yeah, I don't like that chevron one. It's looking a little bit shitty. You were too young and naive to realize what the nice couple with the smoke show I was really offering. That's funny, dude. Can you please predict the next 12 months of trading for all the major ETFs, please? No. I'll tell you it's going to be volatile. You'll see a lot of chop. I have my prediction. Other than that, I mean, nothing too crazy. You had to leave this morning. Wow, Apple broke 128. Dude, it did. Apple new 52-week lows. Apple new 52-week lows is pretty nuts, man. Yeah, we'll do a little competition tomorrow morning on the public live for ankles. They will go up and they will go down. Yeah, that's probably the best prediction that we have. 22 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. You guys are killing it. Hopefully, you guys are slightly entertained today because I know a lot of you guys have already made your money and you're just kind of hanging out. Let's see if we get any crazy moves going into the end of the day. It's possible, but we'll see. We will see, man. What's going on here? Yeah, Pepe, that's fair enough, man. Tessie trying to move a little here. Spy's not really looking too hot. What about Apple calls for 9 days out? That doesn't make any sense. This makes no sense. You're in a put trend. It's not showing signs of. See, here's the thing. Sorry, Steve. I don't mean to be an asshole. So here's actually what I would look for a reversal. If you're looking at Apple, I'll show you another one where it makes sense that if you wanted to do that near these lows, where it would sort of make sense to do something like that. But looking at this on the 4-hour, one, you're in a put trend. You've been in a put trend for a while. And on the daily, let's see when you started this put trend back here from around 148 to 127. So you're still in this put trend right now. What you're attempting to do is basically think that this is a false breakdown and it bounces right back up. Fair. You're taking on a lot of risk though. On the 4-hour, here's what I would want to see. And this is actually a good indication. So you can actually use the reversal strategy on the 4-hour time frame. You just have to size it appropriately. Right now, it's not showing it here, but here's a stock or an ETF that did show it recently. SPY. Look at this. So you start to see this MACD flicker into the green here. RSI crosses down below its moving average. Bing, bang, boom, dead. So if you're seeing at these highs here, you can technically risk a break above here, 410 from what, 404. You need a lot of time in sizing this appropriately, and you're taking it a lot more risk doing it this way. I wouldn't do this. But again, holding overnight in this market is so incredibly risky. You have to protect yourselves, guys. You either remember the two ways to hold overnight is sizing for zero or getting way more time than you think you need in order to just basically wait out the volatility. And if the trade goes again, you see you're not going to be down all that much. No, I want to learn. No. I know, Steve. I know. Yeah, that was me being an asshole. Wait, Everett, why'd you? Don't time Everett out. Everett's fine. Please, Pepe, don't time Everett out. But I hope you understand what we're saying here, Steve, because like buying Apple calls right now just because it's breached the new 52-week low and you think it's going to bounce, that's not a repeatable strategy. You can't just go into the market and say, breaks the low, buy. Usually when you see like all-time high breakouts or like it continues for a little bit. But again, it's still not repeatable. So when I look for these reversals and these things like that, I'm looking for the exact same thing every single time. It makes it boring. Can you explain sizing for zero? Yes. Sizing for zero is essentially using a portion of your account that is essentially equivalent to the stop amount in terms of the dollar amount that you would normally have on a normally sized trade. So what you're essentially doing is saying, I'm willing to let this position go completely to zero, and it's still not going to ruin me. Like, let's say you go in with 0.5% of your account. The maximum that you can lose on that trade is 0.5% of your account. That's sizing for zero. So just in case it all blows up in your face, you've risked appropriately, if that makes sense. But again, that's all. A lot of that is all in the learning curriculum videos with 1348 and a lot of the other strategy that we teach. Thanks. You're welcome, Steve. Sorry for being an asshole. I know you were asking a valid question. All right. Everett, I'm sorry Pepe timed you out. There's nothing I can do about it. Thank you, sir. No problem, K. Robinson. Tessie trying to get above here. That'd be interesting. Oh, you're going to agree with Pepe. What was he saying? Yeah, okay, that's fair. Yeah, Everett, just relax on that type of talk, like the specifics. Yeah, that's fair. Fair enough. All right, guys, 11 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Let's have some fun going into the end of the day here. We've got a really, really solid morning. Pepe's drunk with power. No, he's not. Pepe's good. You guys are all good mods. All my mods in here are all awesome. Also, Squirrel, I was calling your name this morning. You know why? Because I threw this on the 1 minute, and look what I saw. Look what I saw. These two right here. You like this? I was yelling for Squirrel this morning. You missed it, buddy. This right here, I was like, come on, Squirrel. Where are you? I know you want this to move down. And then whoop, death. Still salty about selling your runner. I would have had a 2%, 2-ish% day. Dude, I'll tell you when I ditched my spies. Why does this make no sense? That's why. I ditched my spies on this candle for 20%, I think. 15, 20% when it came down here. I missed this entire second leg because I set my stop too close. So I still nailed it. I'm up, what, 1.4% for the day? I think that's over here somewhere. What is it? 1.42? Nice. Leo, thank you so much for being a member, buddy. Hey, Brody, I promise to be well behaved if you give me the honor to be a mod. We'll see, Leo. If her name starts with a D, don't trust her. Uh-oh. Is that who's... I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to reiterate the statement that was made yesterday at a 5K squeeze, but I hope it's... I mean, the name of the game is don't really trust anybody, but I trust Diana. No. I trust Diana. You got it right before the break of 382? Oh, nice. Yeah, I was in here too. I was buying contracts in this nonsense. That was fun. Why does my fucking thing do this? I stopped looking at a trade that continued to run after I exited. Just dwelling on it can affect your mental conviction. Yeah, I mean, it happened to me on Netflix just now. I mean, I was telling you guys about the Netflix trade that I was in. Textbook reversal. Really solid, man. I'm hitting those trades left, right, and center. They're fucking nasty. So I bought Netflix calls here. Wrote it up a little bit, but actually, I think I was only in it for like these two candles. Sold it up here. And then, bloop. So I got to stop being such a bitch on Netflix. But Netflix has fucked me over a few times, so I wasn't really looking for much anyway. So it is what it is. Oh, you sold it on accident? Fat fingered scaling out? That sucks. I mean, you secured some decent gains, man. Like, that's still really, really solid gains for the day. Sometimes I'll look at trades after and be like, what was I thinking? Not in terms of like I'm being a dumbass, but like what was I thinking when I was in that trade that made me do this or whatever, like sell or buy more or something like that. Like I'll go over them. Can you explain Mara on the daily? MACD been pink for a while, thinning out, but it's been falling like crazy. Yes, I can. Mara. That's a 4 hour. Sorry. You're diverging here a little bit. I mean, it's just knifing its way down. It's not aggressive enough to keep this MACD in here, but like if you saw the RSI crossing above its moving average, the MACD crossing, flashing back into the green, I don't think that'd be the worst thing to do. I don't trade the reversals on the daily. Oh my God, Mara's at $3. Oh no, thanks. Nope. I'm sorry. That's rough. You've been holding put since November, not letting go until I see 70 next year, waiting to pounce on TLT as soon as it hits 97. Robert, dude, you're killing it, dude. Was only asking on it if your thought was it as promising as I thought. Everett, I would say probably not. But again, that's just my opinion. You can do whatever you want. Thoughts on taking Tesla nibbles long at this point, or are you the school of feeling 60s to 70s first? Okay, here's my thoughts on Tesla, guys. When we were talking about the S-curve, I'm not thinking about in terms of like vehicle sales or things like that. I'm thinking of the S-curve in terms of the growth rate of Tesla as a company. I personally think that Tesla's growth rate is either near or at the peak of their S-curve. Now, again, it depends. I'd have to look more into it. But in terms of EVs and all the things that we've said with capital allocation, where money can go into the EV space, I don't know if I'd put my money in Tesla. Remember, I'm 23. I'm young. I have a lot of time to let these long-term investments play out. You guys are all different, so you're going to have to make your own decisions at the end of the day. Could I be completely fucking wrong on Tesla and it just goes back to 1,000? Yes, I can. So again, nobody really knows. You can do some fundamental analysis on it. It is getting screwed over right now with the Elon stuff with Twitter. Nibbling, I don't think is really a terrible idea. I would just say, again, cautious. 5K squeeze, you know what happens when you talk shit about Diana. So if you keep doing it, this is your one warning. Okay? Thank you. He said we're old. I did. Well, most of you guys are. Like, you're above 35 most of the time. Most of you guys are older. It's different. It's a different game. Check DM. Oh, what did you do, Squirrel? You traded fucking dailies again, didn't you? What is this? What is this? That's hilarious. Up 3.87% for the day, just chilling. Damn, man. 35 is old now. Yeah. RSI is just too bad on the daily time frame. I hear you, but for me, it's time to DCA in. I wish you all the best of luck. These whippersnappers, they have no respect. I do, though, because I'm telling you that it's a different game. Like, I respect you. Like, your portfolio is more than you guys do. You're just like, fuck it, 0 days. And I'm like, hey, asshole, stop. The one-eyed squirrel. Wait. What'd you do? Or is that like an actual injury, or are you just like hanging out with an eye patch on? I didn't mean to laugh if that was serious. I thought you were sending me a joke. How come I feel like someone might have sent me inappropriate DMs to someone and now they've got emotional damage? Dude, people send me their fucking space calls to go in and I'm like, stop, I'm not coming. 3 likes away from 100. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Netflix slipping a little bit lower here. Spy doing the same thing. You got 378 here that you could bounce off of, though. So let's see. 0 days stop you from holding losers overnight? No. Oh, it's actually an injury? I'm sorry, Squirrel. I'm sorry, buddy. What happened? What'd you do? I'm sorry about that. Damn, now I feel like a dick. Yeah, Squirrel's wearing an eye patch. My bad, Squirrel. One time when I was a kid, I was running into like these bushes to grab a baseball, and I had my eyes open, and I grabbed the baseball, and then I just stick right in the eye, and I had like a bunch of scratches on my cornea that I had to figure out. It wasn't fun, man. That was pretty rough. I didn't have to wear an eye patch though. That would have been cool, but they didn't give me one. I would have liked an eye patch. Freaking 6-year-old Vic's running around with an eye patch. Probably was older than that. We'll be back in the game mid-January. Yeah, you are, Dick. I'm sorry. I thought you were like dressing up as a pirate for something. I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean it. You said check DM, and then you said, I think, hold on. You said, oh no, you said sad pirate noises. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be an asshole. Quick 50% on spy puts. Thank you. Like taking candy from a baby. 1348 gang. There you go, man. Again, team, make sure that you guys are hopping into the free trial. It is pinned to the top of the live chat. I'll throw that link in here for you guys as well. Again, 2 weeks are completely free. We'll make a believer out of you in 2 weeks. Remember, a lot of the people that were like hating on us and all that nonsense, they're the ones that aren't in it. It's hilarious, bro. Squirrel, I apologize, buddy. I didn't mean to be an asshole. Let's see. Where do you open the ticket? On the right, feedback. Oh, I bet. Scratch cornea, but bigger issue is no contact lens, so eyes blind, can't see without contact lenses. That sucks, dude. Sorry about that. How'd you do that? You're 14 days from your 1 year mark in 1348. Dude, we should do something fun for the anniversary. We should do something fun. Because I think it was January last year. Laws coming to make us all drive electric vehicles by 2030. 11 states already ruled out for 2035. I understand that, but there's a lot of other vehicle companies there as well. This is what I'm saying. There's more competition. And I was joking about calling you a dick, making you feel guilty is funny. Well, maybe I was lying. I'm just kidding. I actually felt bad. You joined January 19th. Holy shit. You don't have the feedback button? DSN OBS, are you in the Discord? Have you been able to link your Discord account to platform? Because if you're asking Diana about it, she can probably forward it to Andy and have that fixed out. But I've never heard of that problem. Yeah, it's the blue tab in the middle right, but he's having some issue over there. Let's see. I don't know how to link it, but I'm able to message Diana. Okay, yeah, she'll be able to help you. And again, guys, for all you guys that were coming in and wanted to get lifetime, at the 50% discount from what it's currently listed at. Remember, all of you guys can get that. It's in the announcement section for the code. The code is in the announcement section. Just please don't overload Diana. Diana's got a lot of things she's got to do. Damn, 2 plays on SPY risking VWAP today. Atta boy, Christian. Oh, did you take this put? My computer's glitching out a little bit here. That's unfortunate. You rubbed your eye on, contact lens fell out and tore up your eye more. Ooh, are they like the hard contact lenses? Because I could see that. All right, let's see. Patsy Shark. RV's about to run. A lot of people are saying this. I would be very careful with that, guys. This EV stuff. I don't know. If you want to do it, go ahead. It's like, it's not my say, like to say like, oh, it's good or bad. Like you guys have to make that decision for yourselves. Like I've kind of given my opinion on like Tesla and a lot of things, but it's like, try not to like, because I can't tell you. It's clicking. Christian, that's awesome. You joined April. I wanted to make sure I understood the basics of the strategy before I started paying. But the Discord is a lot more than just 1348 crosses. Yeah, man. I agree. Yeah, it's just there's a lot of moving parts. It's like if you find good value in something and you like it, again, long-term stocks are different for everybody. Like I always say, like, this is what I've learned. You want to buy companies that you understand, that you use, and that you think that are going to be around for the next, like basically your investment horizon and continue to do well. Brother, I appreciate the work you've been doing. Started watching you around 2020. You're doing a great job and brutally honest, which is great. These people need that. Looking forward to 2023 with you guys. Robert, I appreciate you too, buddy. Yeah, I'm going to do my best to always tell you guys like the brutal, honest truth, because a lot of people are scared to basically tell you guys what's actually happening and not what people want to hear because they feel like they'll lose their platform. I don't give a flying fuck. Like, I'll say whatever I want whenever, as long as it's the truth. I'm a slow learner and have a short attention span, but if I'm truly interested in something, I get obsessed with getting good at it. Thank you, Vix. Christian, thank you, buddy, for taking a chance on us, man. All you guys that are in there. Why is TGTX halted? Okay. This is like the 3rd or 4th time that you guys have mentioned a ticker today that I think is a penny stock. If it's a penny stock, you're getting put in timeout. Therapeutics. I clicked it. Not a penny stock. You are safe from the ban hammer for now. It's probably news or it's a volatility halt. I mean, it could have a volatility halt off of news or it's a halt pending news, but I don't know. Hit the like button. Freeloaders, Life Wisdom. I appreciate that, dude. See your message above. You should pitch to Gabe about Diana deserving a small support staff under her. Customer service is your jam. Yeah, as we continue to grow, I mean, we have a lot of people in there with us right now, man. We're going to need some extra help at some point. Oh, look what happened here. SPY bounces almost right at 378. Yeah, we have a lot of moving parts too, so we'll see. Speaking of TG, how's Tiger doing? Remember the Tiger King days, bro? When we were trading the shit out of Target? That was fun, man. The Tiger King days were awesome. TG says approval was granted. Yeah, so it's news. So it had news, ripped up, halted. So it's a volatility halt. 5 minutes. Pharma stocks. I don't like pharma stocks. Some people really do. I don't. It's almost like pennies. It's like the volatility there is crazy. What does Vortex say? I don't know. It's hard to trade in practice. Ryan, that's all emotional, and it's all emotional control and discipline and risk management, buddy. I agree with your views. You come at it professionally with and with awareness. Prosperity for us all. Put in the work. Robert, I appreciate that. I don't know if I would call what I do saying things professionally because of some of the shit that we say sometimes, but I appreciate that, man. Target, Walmart, CVS, HD, those were the days. Dude, I only wish that you guys could have seen me in like there was a time where I was trading like HD, Lulu, Ulta, FedEx, and a couple of these other stocks. And I would like, it wasn't with 1348 in any real solid strategy, but the gains were ridiculous. Like, it was just wild. Target is still one of your best plays, over 300%. I think my best trade ever is Lulu earnings run up. I think it's the Lulu earnings run up in 2020. Those contracts went from like 13 cents to $6. I mean, it might have been less. It was like 2,000 or 2,500%. Like I try to not say like the Facebook earnings play that I had this year was ridiculous, but I don't really count that because it's an earnings gamble. The Lulu one was dirty. I hit a BJ's earnings play for like 1,600%. I've had some nasty trades, dude. I used to trade a lot of Square too. I like this better though. 1348 in the reversal strategy and everything like that. It smooths everything out. It's a lot more fun. Remember your meta gains on earnings? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Like the Facebook ones were nasty. Pepe Chan, what's up, buddy? Altria. You remember that one, Rogue? Yeah. I was mad on the Jewel stock play because I missed it and I was having Discord issues. The 700% one that you called out. Yeah, that was on the Altria news. I know John. I'm pretty sure John Lisney hit it. I didn't get it. I flipped it for like, what? I like flipped it for like 30%, I think, and then it ran like 700, and I was like, well, that's annoying. Is SPY on SSR? No. Stop. Wasn't it NVIDIA that gave stop for 7,000% by accident? Oh, I don't know. Maybe. You close your puts and shorts deep into 2023. Call recover calls. Done trading for 2022. I'm ready for any move. Let's end this year on a good note and be ready for 2023. Happy New Year's to you all. Robert, I fucking love you, buddy. 100%, dude. It's not USSR. It's SSR. Short still restricted. No, SPY is not there. That was when Jewel was getting banned. It was earlier this year. I forget what they were saying. It was like a fine or something crazy. What the heck? First 1348 payment today. They only charged you $49. Thought it was a real trading channel. Thought this was a real trading channel. Thanks, guys. What do you mean, Drew? You got charged $49? There you go. Hey, we always are giving gifts to you guys. So you got gifted a little bit. It's all right, though. But thank you for being a part of our community, man. Hopefully you're going to be around for a while, dude. Let's print. Let's go make some money. But yeah, so again, if you guys want to hop in there, get your free trials. Here you go. Usual options question. I'm noticing it's bullish sentiment, but it says put. Does that mean it's a seller selling a put? Yes. Lee tells people to buy only penny stocks. I don't think he knows much after hearing that. Yeah, dude. What? Where have you been? 600, buddy. Yeah, like you can't do that. I will never, ever mess around with penny stocks unless there is only one time where I will trade a penny stock. And it's a like short side after some group of assholes pump it. You made 65% on a SPY put? I had a boy, Fred. I had a boy, dude. But even then with penny stocks, I don't want it. I bet I would be a killer, dude. Short in penny stocks. I would just use my reversal strategy and just nail it. $49 is a steal. Dude, even the listed price to everybody in the public, 69 is a steal. That price will be going up in the future as we roll out new features. So those will be coming over next year. But again, if you guys are in now, the price is never going up on you guys. Let's see here. I think they're doing like construction next door, bro. They're like building shit. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Yes, we can. All right, team. Sneak hint for the next feature. Nah, there's too many peasants trying to eat at our coattails, trying to build the things that we can. Honestly, I could say it because nobody has the intellectual capability of actually building these types of things, but I'm not gonna. So 100% gains on these chicken Tyson cutlets, puts on Purdue. There you go. Look at you showing your age. Me? What did I do? Oh, Bob the Builder. Oh, I forgot this was public. Oh, no, you're good, buddy. You're good. What is going on here? Hold on, I gotta check something. Nice. AMD Invictus. Where is it? Where is Invictus? Invictus, what are you doing today? Struggling a little? Let's see. Oh, Invictus to the downside on AMD. Ooh. Ooh. You guys know what to do here. Be careful. There are still moles in the group too, so gotta be careful. Yeah, we're not saying anything about what's coming, but it's bigger than platform. Like it's the stuff that we're gonna bring out is bigger than platform. There's 3 things. And all of those will probably be built out over the next year and a half is kind of how I view it. But I would say we'd have to talk about that because there's no tentative date for when these things are going to get released, in what order they're going to get released in, or what they're actually going to be. I know what I want them to be, but it's crack pipe merge. It's not, bro. It's not. Let's see. Dude, I got like food in my face. App already confirmed. Oh, that's not included in the 3 things that I was talking about. Okay, so now there's 4. Yeah, we will be developing an app. Again, guys, all of you guys that have been with us from the very beginning, you're a part of something very, very, very special. So shout out to you guys. And anybody new that's coming in there too. We're going to do our absolute very best to make sure that we can catch you up to speed on all of the amazing things that we offer and exactly how to trade the proper way with good risk management, putting the power of compounding on your side. What will the app do? It will be an app, and it will do everything that platform does, but in an app. Are you special? Yes. You guys are all special. When Pista Party? When I get it, I don't know when I'm getting it. It's probably gonna be a while. Like a YouTube debunking video. Oh, I could just call everybody out for being fucking stupid. We could do that. I have a really good video that I got to make, and I need Gabe's help with it because it's nasty. Like when we'll bounce ideas back and forth off of each other and how to create this video for everybody, it's gonna be nasty. That's a good one. You want red things on your chart, not green things? Wayne, please watch the risk management video. All right, team. Nancy slipping here. AMD Invictus. Bing, bang, boom. Slipping this level. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Here comes Amanda to the downside. I'd be a little careful with that, but it's working. It's working. Let's see here, team. Hold on. How do you... Huh. Is it this? No. Is it this? Yes. Yeah, but who did it, though? Interesting. Spot. Whoa, that's an interesting volume candle there. Those are some buyers stepping up. That's interesting. NVIDIA Invictus to the downside here. Dude, we're 30 likes away from 150 as well. I appreciate you guys. There's a lot of oh yeah, no, that's bullshit. Yeah. I could try, Everett. But then the problem is that I'm going to go down this rabbit hole of just like calling people fucking idiots. And the problem is I've done that here on this channel and called people morons. And then you see why they're morons. And then people still don't get it. So it's like you're fighting a losing battle. It's like some people just have to learn for themselves. Like I can help. And we do that on the live streams a lot. But it's like, I mean, we've talked about these people that are just out there just hurting retail. Maybe they're trying to do it. Maybe they're not. But the result is the same. You should go full rant mode. It would be great. Oh, I've done full rant mode in videos before, and people were not happy. Do I care? Nope. Some bank forgot to hit the dark pool button. I mean, what's the volume on that thing? 2.386, 2.405 million. You're a stupid moron. No, you're not, Wayne. You're just undisciplined. You're just undisciplined. That's what the issue is. I know you're not dumb. You know the strategy. Let's see. All right. That's like trying to convince my dog not to eat a ham bone. Exactly. People are going to do what they want to do at the end of the day anyway. It's like, okay, you want to get led to the slaughter? It's not much I can do to help you. It's like telling a drug addict not to do drugs. It's like everybody knows that drugs are bad, but they're going to do it anyway. It's like you got to do it for yourself or you're going to end up in a shitty situation. All right, team. This is why I ask people here, and if people look at me in your trade as what are you thinking, I go back and reevaluate your idea. I wouldn't do that, Everett. Personally, I wouldn't do that because you don't know who the other person is on the other side of the screen. They could be super smart or they could be a complete moron. So like, I would say come in, like, I think you're a member with us. If not, but again, learn a repeatable system where it doesn't necessarily matter what other people think. So AMD, good one here. Nancy slipping lower on this Invictus alert. Nice. 1%, 1.3% on an AMD put. Ryan, I don't know why you're okay. Why aren't you using the stop loss strategy, buddy? you're up 1.3% on a trade. That's not, because then you're going to let your losses go to 10 and you need 10 of those 1%ers. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense, buddy. It's like, I mean, if you're not in there with us yet, again, I know you're busy in Korea, but you don't trust the candles. Trust the chart, man. I mean, you know where your risk is here. SPY's coming down. Nancy's about to get this cross down here too. Sell while green. You can't trade scared. You cannot trade scared. The market will take your money. Because I bet that you're not as scared to let a trade go down 5-10% as you are to take the trade or let the trade ride 5-10%. Let's see. Oh, you affiliates are doing great, man. Lucid crossing down. I don't like Lucid. It's under $10. Is it crossing down now? Yep. Bivon got sold right into. Yeah, hard. Like very aggressively there. All right. So Nancy is more than likely getting this cross down here. Nice. Another Invictus win there. Cool. You really see 5% of the kit. That's why you got to use the stop loss strategy. And I don't know why you're rarely seeing 5%. We'll have to do legal things here in Korea. SV, great stuff. And thanks for the info and entertainment. Even though the market is red, the entertainment you bring to it makes it more palatable. Everett, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Letting it go down, but not giving it time to mature. Oh, exactly. Like people will be all right with letting a trade go down 10%, but then they'll take their gains at 2. That's never going to work. Never going to work. You'd have to have like a 90% hit rate or 95% success rate. That's unrealistic. Maybe 80. I might be stupid. Might be like 81. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Ooh, Nancy, a little bop. Good day, man. And thanks to all the mods and everyone in the room. Everett, I appreciate you, buddy. I sell early so not to go red. Ryan, you have to get you have to be comfortable with taking losses. But you have to set your like level in which you are going to take a loss at a very like what's the word? Like a smart intelligent level. So like let's just say on this Nvidia trade right here, I have this level at 140.43. If I wanted these puts right here, I'd risk a closing candle back above here. I don't care what happens down below. I really don't care. Because if you get enough time on your contracts, like playing next week, you're still going to be green if it chops around in here. But if it closes back above, you're done. You're down, 3 or 5%? That's what I would do. Again, I'm not taking this Nvidia trade. I don't really think anybody should really be trading right now. It's what you got an hour and 20 minutes left to go. But those are the types of things that I would look at just in terms of risk. Can't prevent losses, just need to mitigate them. Yes, and that's why I put those videos out for you guys all the time. The stop loss strategy, the reversal strategy, the risk management video. You guys have every tool at your disposal. More time helps. It does. More time helps a lot. I think every single trade that I took today, I mean, the SPYs were Mondays. And today's Wednesday, so that's not terrible. I probably could have gotten next Tuesday or Wednesdays. But the Netflixes were next week's. VWAP was nicer, the 200 EMA, more rigid levels compared to the 13 and 48. Yeah, I mean, I use the 13 a lot to set my risk. But yeah, I do like VWAP in the 200 as well. Like those would be my preferred ones. VWAP and 200. They're nice. Bob the Builder. Let's see. But the time it takes to set up on the phone is a little scary. Oh, I'm like super quick with them. You just got to learn the workflow of your brokerage, and then you're good. 5K squeeze. Stop, bro. On Webull, you can set up a stop loss and take profit at the same time. Yeah, I don't use the take profit feature. You can. It actually makes me more slow. Trailing stops, personally, I don't like. I do a manual trailing stop, so I will move mine manually. You can use trailing stops, and then you can just basically turn your phone off and be good to go. Personally, I don't do that. If it works for you, then go for it. Just because, like, it depends on, yeah, and Webull doesn't have trailing stops for options. I don't believe you're right, but yeah, if minimum reward is 2%, stop loss needs to be 1% for 2 to 1. Exactly. Exactly. Let's see here. My eyes getting itchy. So you can see how Nancy right now is respecting this level pretty well. I'm not in this trade, not taking the trade. It's too late in the day. This is literally just education here. If the candle closes above here, the trade's dead. You could risk VWAP. I mean, you could do that. 140.71. It's 30 more cents, but I probably wouldn't. COVID? No. It's because I stare at these lights all day long, bro. What MACD am I using? 24, 52, 18. Those are the settings. Let's see. All right, team. Ooh, we're almost at 150 likes again. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Tesla price target end of the day. God, end of the week. It doesn't matter. You can't ask these questions, guys. It doesn't matter what I think. Nobody knows. That's the thing. If somebody tells you and says, this is where I think it's going to go at the end of the week, the only thing that they're trying to do is guess a price correctly so that you then think that they're a genius. That's not what we're here to do. It's play the trend, play the momentum, follow the chart. You can set your levels and say this is where things could potentially go. But it's not helpful for me to say anybody what my price target prediction for Tesla is by the end of the week. That's not helping anybody. There's no light colors on my MACD. Not on Webull, but on TradingView there is. That's why I flip back and forth all the time. I mean, I can tell. Like, I know when they're like this one on Tesla, this MACD is flipping like here. It's like just funneling back into the like light green. Like, I know when they're flipping, and then I'll go over on TradingView to confirm. Heading to work. Good luck, everyone. Stay safe. You too, Tabasco Dave. Thanks for popping in, buddy. Oh, crap. Sorry. No, it's fine. It's the same settings. I flip back and forth. There goes SPY back up, and there goes Nancy. So you're not a genius? I'm pretty smart, but there's no reason for you guys to think that I'm predicting price going to a certain level by the end of the week and thinking that that's a consistent thing that you can do. That doesn't make any sense. Nobody can do that. No matter what they will say, nope. They're lying to you. Do I have an idea sometimes? Yeah, I have an idea. I have my levels and I'll play off of them. But I'm not going to just like be like, I think Tesla's going to 104.50 and stop. Like, I don't know. Nobody has any idea. Can I easily teach you some nasty strategies to make money in the market with 1348 reversal and everything? Oh, yes, I can. And then give you the tools with our platform in order to fully implement that? Oh, yes, we can. Let's see. Oh. Gabe, thank you for the super buddy. I appreciate that. I guarantee you by the end of the week, SV will be Cougar-fied. It's what? Okay, what's the minimum age for Cougar? This channel is a scam. Run. Is that because I'm not going to tell you where Tesla's going by the end of the week? Like, oh my God. What is the minimum age to be a Cougar? Is it the same for your mom? Minimum's 8. That's not, I understand, Christian. What's the minimum that would be considered a Cougar? 40? Okay. You guys are saying 40? Okay. For you, 37. Thanks, Michael. 38? Okay. You're counting? Careful, SCV thinks he's 35 years old. I am 35 years old. 45? Dude. It's aggressive. I think it's related to your age, not theirs. Nah, because you can't be like a 25, like a 30. I mean, can you? I don't know. You'll sit and watch. Astro, that's a bit strange. I don't know what you're sitting and watching. I hope there's no other individuals involved there that you're sitting and watching. But, you know, to each their own. It's a free country. You can do whatever you please. Once you get over 40, it converts to Jaguar. Interesting. 40 guys, really? Wow. Sorry, Kenya. We go a little off topic here sometimes. Sorry. I do send link. Wait. Okay, we got like 13 minutes to go. You want to hop on for a bit? Let's do it. Let's see. Good. All right, guys. We got a special guest, I think. Everybody better smack that like button on the way in and get your free trials. What do you oh, perfect. 16 holder is a Sphinx. All right, team. Where do you get the chart set up like yours? Any alert that you see in the Discord or in platform, platform's a little bit different. So if you click over here and you click this, the quick drawer, these are the charts here that you can go and download. And in platform or on Discord, it's the same thing. You can click on the little hyperlink to get to the chart. Are your specialty? I know. Ooh, that's the wrong way. Dude, I keep accidentally putting my hair the wrong way because the lady told me I was doing it wrong. Is what it is, bro. You saw me at the Marriott in Miami? No, you didn't, because I was never at the Marriott in Miami. So I don't know who you saw, but it wasn't me. Let's see. All right, team. We got like 11 minutes to go until power hour. All right, folks. What are we going to get? Oh, they really just cucked Nancy out of that cross there, huh? Let's see. Dude, we've gone so off topic today. It's okay, though. I know you guys did well today, so it's cool. It's nice to come in and hang out. It was like one of those days last week where we were just kind of screwing around. Like after everybody just made a bunch of money and the market was chopping around. And make sure you guys are ready for the short form videos coming out. I might post the TikTok right after close. So get ready for that one. If you guys are following me on TikTok, you'll get it first. So I'll post it to TikTok and then Instagram a little bit later, but we are going to have a lot of fun with this. This one's good. You don't see it with the put call indicator? DSN OBS, I have no idea what you're looking at. Can you like send me a screenshot on Twitter or something of what you're looking at? Because I'm very confused about why this is so difficult here. I don't know what, like, I've never heard of this problem here. No short YouTube. Eventually I'll start throwing the shorts on YouTube too, but not now. Ooh, we got the bloop. What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Nah, watch, man. We've went a little bit into left field on this stream. It's gone off the rails.
Well, I mean, what you expect? It's people are happy when they're making money.
I know. Let's see. Do you get into anything today? Any trades?
No, I did not. Nope, I personally did not.
I just saw your name. Do you change it?
There we go. Wait, let's see. I gotta get you set up here. I'm very specific on how I do this. All right. Okay, now we're good.
The stocks are just the background. Today they are, man. Today it's been an interesting day. But though, I mean, the morning those SPY puts were killer. The afternoon the reversals were sweet. It's easy, man. Just keep it simple.
Let's see.
Not a good time to step into
everything
anything.
is just pretty much flat.
Yeah, it's not doing much. I mean, SPY came back up to the 48, rejected, coming back down. It's just chopping around going into close. That's all it's doing.
Yeah. It's consolidating around the blue pill. Looks like it's going to break below. Like if you get RSI below its moving average there, and you're already seeing light green on that histogram. I mean, you could probably get a quick scalp down to like 378.
Yeah, that's where I have my level, 378. Which it was really close to bouncing off of, but again, it's 252. There's an hour and 8 minutes left. This is very, very rarely will I take trades at this time of the day. There's just like not enough time for things to play out. Like you're putting yourself in such a tiny window.
Yeah. See, here's the thing, right? I mean, like, guys, we provide coverage throughout the day because the day provides teaching moments and opportunity. But if you are 1% or better, and that happens in the morning, the rest of the day is free. You just made your day free.
Mm-hmm.
Just.
That's one of the reasons why I was a little annoyed when we were in the backstage on the Netflix thing, because I didn't really want to be in it because I was already up over 1% on my account for the day, and I was like, "What? Just let me set my damn stop and profit so I can just put my phone down and let it go." But like, again, if you're up over one, it's all about securing the bag, guys. Like if you hit your goal for the day, that's why we give you that compounding calculator that you can download on platform. So you have a schedule of earnings that you can aim for every single day.
Yep. SPY is a distraction from AMC.
That was funny, Fred. That was funny.
He's got a sense of humor. So, STV, this weekend, Cougar, make it happen.
I gotta find one. I don't see very many of them at the places that I go. It's usually all young people.
Well, then change where you're hanging out. Like,
I don't know where they go. The zoo?
Like, okay, that's fucked up, dude. And some of them do belong in the zoo, but that was really fucked up.
What? Maybe they hang out at the zoo. They're in captivity. I don't know.
Dude, around the shops at the Prudential, like, Prudential, it's affluent in that area.
That's true. I could do that.
Yeah.
I'm going to be in rough shape, though, this weekend. Oh, Monday, no trading. Monday
Monday
is closed.
again.
Yeah. I think we were talking about this, that like there's only like one full week over like the next 4 weeks. It's very strange, which is annoying to me because I like trading and hanging out with you guys, but maybe we'll do a fun stream Monday, a little refresher like we did or like you did this Monday. We can do one of those.
Yeah, absolutely. We could do a refresher on Monday. But SCP, I mean, places where you could meet older women would probably be like I don't know, like dance studios. Um,
The
do you have
denture
an LA
store.
Fitness around you?
What?
LA Fitness.
No. There's
Um,
there's a couple gyms around here that are pretty nice, I think, but I would never pay to go to one of those gyms.
well, you have to go to those high-end gyms where the membership is like 75 or better and just go during rush hour time.
Mm,
They're coming out of work, they're going to the gym before they go home and deal with their miserable husbands. Oh, that's another thing. You could probably, wreck a
yep.
marriage.
Yeah.
You always need that one under your belt. Every man needs that under his belt.
Dude, I'm like the king of wife steals. Not like actual wives, but like we've done it a few times this year, and I'm like, this is not, this should not be allowed. But it is. There's no rules, I guess. Let's see. Dude, this market it just feels like asleep now. Like it was almost like money printer time, and then they just like were like, all right, guys, show's over. No more money printer for today.
Oh man, it's a boring segment right now. Things could pick up after 3 o'clock, just going into close. Um, basically big money just setting up retail like they always do.
They could. They could. I mean, I'm not really interested in trading it though. Like again, last hour of the day, I'm never touching. It's the reversals like coming off of noon and things like that. That's all right in my mind for me. It's just anything now. It's just like there's not enough time and it's almost like trading the open again. Like that's kind of how it reminds me of. It's like you can catch some moves off of open and you can catch some big moves going into close, but you're putting your money at some pretty significant risk.
Yes. So Vic, wait. He actually brought up a good one. Vin says you don't need gyms, you just need parks with dog walkers or beaches. The thing is that in Boston it's code. So anyone walking their dog, they're in a fucking rush. That's one.
Yeah, they're all bundled up. You can't see anybody. Maybe when it gets warm out, I'll have my dog come stay with me and then just, I don't know, walk
Oh,
him
what about
around.
Yellen? Go for Yellen.
Janet Yellen?
Why not?
I don't think she's for me.
Dude, you just gotta close your eyes.
Oh my god. Janet Yellen and the inflation problem and the transitory inflation and the rate hikes are gonna do their job and that's my Janet Yellen impression. It's pretty good, I feel like. Apple to 90. Ooh, that's a lot. I'd say maybe 100. If the market slips back down to lows and Apple continues with it, Apple's held up pretty nicely. Like remember the times where you would see the SPY start to knife, they'd buy up Apple and Apple would kind of prop up the market a little bit. But if Apple's not there to save it, it's gonna be dirty. So I don't know. I don't know.
This would actually be a great YouTube video for you, right? Where you like just hang outside of like a divorce attorney's office. You just go after the hottest one that walks out. Like, excuse me.
Hello, ma'am.
When's your divorce final?
What was your settlement? That would be fun. Dude, that would be hilarious. We could make that a short form video.
That would be so funny.
That would be fun.
Yeah. You could ask those deep questions, right? Like, so why are you getting a divorce? Women, when they're scorned, oh, they let it all out. They don't give a fuck who they're talking to.
Oh, they'll talk all the shit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, team, we've come to 3 p.m. It's power hour. We're probably going to be wrapping it up here. We got Gabe as the special guest, which was fun. Team, make sure that you guys are hopping in for those free trials, man. 2 weeks for free, linked at the top of the live chat. And we do have some spicy short form content coming out later. So make sure that you're over on TikTok and Instagram. Mine is just Short the Vix 1 on both of them. Gabe, what's yours? Is it Review Dork 1348?
Yes. I didn't want to like hijack his stream, but yes, Review Dork 1348 on TikTok.
We're going to be having a lot of fun. I think that you guys are really going to like the one that I put out in a bit. You guys will see it first on TikTok, and then I'll throw it on Instagram a little bit later. But this one's funny. I think you guys will enjoy it. But again, I'll throw the link to platform in here one last time. Again, team, really, really solid day. You guys were killing it, dude. We'll see you again tomorrow. Another public live day tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a little bit of competition in the morning. Other than that, peace.
Peace.
Hold on. Let's see.